Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today you can see here is a laptop, is Lenovo gaming laptop. Is broken, the display stand is broken. You can see 10 hours before you see it was broken. And so today I'll show you how to fix this broken display hinge. First I have to put some super glue here, and then I show you how to fix it properly. See guys, I keep it like this pipe. Okay guys, now I will open this body. So I have to open this very carefully because this body is very slim. They have double face glue, so be careful. Remove this cover. If I give some hot air, it will be open very fast. As you see, here is the broken. This side is broken, totally broken. So today I will fix this, guys. Show you how to fix, and I hope it will be work is perfectly. So guys, now I will put here the M-seal glue. Here's my glue is M-seal. So I mix these two items. Guys, you can see you have to make like this soft. And now I will use this some glue here. So now I will close the front cover. Okay guys, now I return back this. So guys, I will put some glue here also backside. Guys, see, it's done. So I will keep it 5-6 hours or 10 hours to make it more strong, and then I will show you how it is working. Not open, and now you can see it is fixed and it is working perfectly, look like before. Just this part is backside showing I fixed it by the glue, but if you can use the sticker, this backside is not showing, and now it is perfect for working. So guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. Thank you.